Hi, my dear children. See what is there? These are your chapter of general knowledge book, Birds 1. Yes, you can see like this. This is Bird 1. So, repeat with me. This is, what is this? This is pigeon. What is this? Pigeon. This is sparrow. This is kite. This is kingfisher. This is duck. What is this? Duck. And swan, hummingbird, crow, parrot, ostrich, penguin, flamingo. Once again, pigeon, sparrow, kite, kingfisher, duck, swan, hummingbird, crow, parrot, ostrich, penguin, and flamingo. These are the birds. Some birds we can see at home nearby our house, and some are shown in the jungle and out of the door, out of the house. And these are also bird number 2. There are so many birds also. What is there? Vulture, woodpecker. What is this? Hornbill, owl, kiwi, mako, cock, cuckoo, manna, eagle, and peacock. What is this? This is a national bird. What is the name of your national bird? Peacock. Okay, this is your chapter bird. You learn from your book 2 times, 3 times. You repeat all the birds, the name of all the birds. And especially I am making this video for teaching you these question answer. Just see the question. What is there? Give the name of any 10 birds. Learn the name of 10 birds. When ma'am will ask to you, then you will say. Name the 2 birds which have a long leg. Yes, you can see all the pictures. Is it clear to you? And this side also. And can you see which bird has a long leg? Yes, ostrich and flamingo. Ostrich and flamingo have long legs. And the third question is, how many legs do bird have? Yes, usually all the birds have 2 legs. You have also 2 legs, and bird have also 2 legs. So answer is, how many legs do birds have? The answer is, birds have 2 legs. And the question number 4, name a bird which has a long beak. Beak means चोंच. You are saying that the beak of the birds. चोंच देखते हैं ना सब लोग? देखिए. Yes, see carefully. Which bird has long beak? Yes, you can see hummingbird, and this is kiwi. Hummingbird and kiwi. This video is clear to you? If it's clear, you learn from this. Thank you.